The sky over the prairies isn't done yet. After a week that spawned multiple tornadoes and left crews assessing damage at an evacuated Alberta campground, one more violent chapter is about to unfold. Tonight, the same volatile pattern reloads. Supercells, hail, destructive winds, and maybe another tornado before it all gives way to a sudden blast of heat that could push humidex values past 40. It's been a wild week across the center of the country, and it isn't over yet. The active weather pattern responsible for this week's tornadoes, including one that touched down near a campground in Alberta, is set to fire up one more time on Friday. Forecasters say the atmosphere remains primed for severe weather as the week wraps up. This time, though, Manitoba should largely dodge the risk as the threat shifts west into Alberta and Saskatchewan. Storm development is expected through the evening, roughly between 6 and 9 p.m., with some cells in central Saskatchewan potentially lingering into the overnight hours. The biggest concerns? Large hail and damaging wind gusts that could reach 100 kilometers per hour, plus an isolated tornado threat. Several major cities are in the crosshairs, including Edmonton, Red Deer, Saskatoon, and Regina, with Saskatchewan facing the higher risk thanks to stronger atmospheric triggers, more available energy, and enhanced wind shear. One wildcard, smoke drifting in from British Columbia's wildfires, could actually suppress storm development over Alberta. But just as the storms clear out, the weather flips entirely. A heat dome building over the United States will begin pushing into the southern prairies this weekend, sending temperatures soaring into the mid-30s, with humidex values climbing into the 40s on both Saturday and Sunday. Bottom line, keep an eye on watches and warnings today, because after Friday's storms, it's heat that takes over the forecast.